Hello, I'm Mr. Safety. Do you see this ABC? It stands for Always Be Careful. When you're in the workshop, remember me. Your workshop sessions can be very interesting. You'll get to make things like a rocket racer, a paddle boat, and a barrette. Put away your bags. We don't want to trip over them in the workshop, do we? Put on your aprons. Don't rush into the workshop. Wait outside till your teacher tells you to go in.
Class, you may come in now. Okay, class, please come up. Class, before you start work, I want you to take off your watches so that they will not get in the way. Alright, take off your watches now. When you are in the workshop, I want you to observe safety consciousness. Make sure
Listen carefully to your teacher's instructions so that you'll know what to do.
Okay, you can go back to your places now.
See this apron I'm wearing? Why do you think we wear aprons in the workshop? Yes, so our uniforms won't get dirty. When you're in the workshop, always have safety on your mind. In the workshop, always look where you're going. Why? This is why. So don't let your workpiece stick out of the workbench. Watch out! Don't place tools near the edge of the bench. Place them in the well of the bench. Tools should only be used at your workbench. If you have to leave your workbench, put your tools on the bench. But if you have to carry a tool with you, always point the sharp end to the floor and not at another person or yourself. Remember, don't run when you're carrying a tool. Don't let the Tommy bar stick out. Someone could knock into it. Pay attention to what you're doing. Don't daydream or think of other things. Very often, your friends are working with sharp tools. Don't distract them. These tools may look small, but they can be dangerous if you don't use them properly. When you want to use the drilling machine and the buffing machine, look out for this line marked out on the floor. If your friend is using the machine, wait for your turn. Stand behind this line. So, can you remember what you have to do when you're in the workshop?
Hey everybody, I got something to say. What you gotta do in school every day, it's about your safety, and whatever you do, you better listen well. It's important to you. When you're in the workshop with some work to do, listen to what your teacher has to say to you. Don't fool around, just obey the rules. Always be careful, safety is cool. ABC, don't be a fool. ABC, safety is cool. ABC, just remember. ABC, always be careful.
Why do you think she's wearing goggles? That's right, she has to protect her eyes. So, when you're using the drilling machine, wear your goggles. When you work with acrylic, wear a protective mask. Do you know why you need to wear it? Yes, then you'll not breathe in the acrylic dust. These are a few types of masks you can use in the workshop. Hey, what are you doing?
I'll show you.
Ah, so you want to polish the acrylic. Good. Wetting the abrasive paper will stop the dust from flying about. Heated acrylic is very hot and can burn. Can you imagine what would have happened if you had not worn gloves to protect your hands? These machines need electricity to work, but electricity can kill if you're not careful. So wear rubber-soled shoes. This can save you from an electric shock. And make sure your hands are dry when you touch the switch. Time to pack up. But before you go, you still have to clean up the place. Return all tools to where they should be kept, so that the next user can find them easily. Put the waste materials in the proper bins for recycling. Let's do what we can to protect the environment. These pieces of waste metal look harmless, don't they? But don't touch them with bare hands. They're very sharp. Don't blow them away either. Use a brush and pan to clean up the work area. To remove acrylic dust, use a vacuum cleaner. A brush will only spread the dust and stir it up again. Before you leave, make sure that the workshop is tidy and clean.
There are safety rules that you must obey. How you look is important every day. Check with your teacher in whatever you do, and just remember safety for you and them too. Keep tidy and clean, that's what your teacher would say. Wasting tools in place at the end of the day. Won't it be so nice when all work is done, if everything is back to when you'd begun? So my friends, hear me out and keep this in mind. The safety rules are easy to define. Do what you gotta do, but remember the rules. Gotta always be careful, safety is cool. ABC, don't be a fool. ABC, safety is cool. ABC, just remember. ABC, always be careful.
So, when you're in the workshop, always remember workshop safety. It's as easy as ABC. Remember what ABC stands for? Always be careful. Practice good work habits. Place tools away from the edge of the bench. Place tools in the well of the bench. Protect yourself using goggles, a mask, and gloves. Leave the workshop tidy and clean for the next class. Now, let's see what can happen if you're careless. See if you can spot the mistakes. Did you spot all the mistakes that were made? Let's see what she should have done. That's right. Put on gloves. Switch off the machine. Remove the acrylic pieces from the heater. So, do think of safety for you and for me. Remember your ABC. Always be careful.
Hey everybody, I got something to say. What you gotta do in school every day, it's about your safety, and whatever you do, you better listen well. It's important to you. When you're in the workshop with some work to do, listen to what your teacher has to say to you. Don't fool around, just obey the rules. Always be careful, safety is cool. ABC, don't be a fool. ABC, safety is cool. ABC, just remember. ABC, always be careful.